Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account on a trusted device and that your phone and Wi-Fi work. Once done, open the Google Sign-in flow and trigger the Verify It's You prompt. You should see a security prompt on registered devices or an option to use SMS, a 2FA app, or a backup code. Follow the first visible option immediately. This reduces delays and avoids extra verification steps later. If the device prompt does not appear, tap Try Another Way and choose an available method. You can use Google Authenticator or Authy to generate a code, request an SMS code to your phone, or enter one of your backup codes. Make sure your device clock is accurate. Incorrect time can block app codes. If asked, confirm your recovery email. While you follow these steps, keep transitions smooth, switch methods quickly, and reattempt the prompt after each change. Complete verification by entering the received code or approving the prompt. Once verified, review your security settings and add alternative sign-in methods. If nothing works, clear cache, use an incognito browser, or try a different device or network. This often resolves stuck prompts. As a last resort, use backup codes or begin account recovery. Provide device names, approximate creation dates, and recent sign-in locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.